Hey guys, Tom from Bellevue Machinery here. Today I am sitting in a T8 320 PLMI machine and just wanted to show you a couple of things in the Intelliview 12 screen that might help you out along the way. So as we can see up on the top left in our GPS icon, it is orange, and we've just seen up here come on the Wi-Fi signals come online. So if you're having an issue with your guidance or your steer and it won't steer, press on the picture of the GPS and it will explain the reason it's not coming online. So in this instance, I've just started the machine up and it says drive to determined heading. So if you drive forward away from the shed, instantly it's coming online, and you can see on the bottom right of this screen that it says it's initializing, it's found its RTK signal, so it's got a good RTK. So if we keep driving forward, it'll eventually go green. There you go, and we're good to go. So if you're ever wondering why your guidance isn't working, it will literally tell you just here. So we're in the T8 320 PLMI and here on the Intelliview 12. So if you're looking to change base stations on your Intelliview 12, we're running off a network, press the GPS symbol, press your gear, press your RTK configuration. So now it brings up your config, you can see what it's all called, it's on, got a Cygnus radio, and just here is your channel ID. So if you're on the network as shown, and you know you should be on tower 4 instead of 24, go in, change it, bang bang bang, hit done, and it'll change. Have patience. It can take a few minutes to swap to the different towers. So, and then back out of it, and you're done. So, if you pull into your paddock, press your picture of your farm up here, it brings up all the information. What you need to do, scroll down through everything, and as you can see here, there's no implement loaded. So when we go back to our map screen, if I press the engage button, it'll say no swath width too low, swath data, because currently we have no implement on. So what you need to do, even if you are, say you have a track renovator on, something that's not going to have a controller, hit your renovator, it will load your config. So you can see it's task, renovating. All of a sudden we now have a loaded implement with widths and everything, and you can see just here that our swaths have actually loaded. I've just pressed the engage button, and as you can see, it's gone green. The guidance take us on over to that line. Happy days.